What's going on, guys? I am back here with another video. A little later than I would have liked to, but I think 2 weeks is better than 4 months on the upload schedule, so we're making progress here. I figured since I gave you guys a life update video, I'm going to give you guys a car update video. So we're going to be talking about the issues with the Subarus, what we're going to do to fix them, what the plans are with the blue Subaru, and I'll get into that later on in the video, as well as future projects for the channel. So obviously we got the white Subaru in here. It needs an oil change, so I figured if it needs an oil change, that's a great opportunity to talk about what's wrong with it. I will say, out of both Subarus, this car in particular has given me the least amount of issues and needs the least amount done to it. The blue car is a whole nother story, which I will get into. But this car in particular, ever since I bought the car, gas tank leaks. So that is one issue that we might need to fix. It's not a big issue. It's not a bad leak. It's just leaks like towards the top. So I can't fill the gas tank fully, which I'm not dealing with it right now. For number two, I've noticed within these winter months, when the vehicle is cold, this car has a few issues getting from second to third. I wouldn't say the transmission is slipping. I wouldn't say the transmission is on its way out. It's just when the vehicle is cold, transmission just doesn't want to shift for whatever reason. But once the car gets warmed up and at operating temperature, it then shifts fine, drives fine. There's no issues with it. And third and final, the catalytic converter on this car gets shot. There is none. It's just not there, non-existent, and we need to fix it because I have a check engine light and I live in a great state where we do yearly inspections, and if the check engine light is on, I can't really get the car inspected right now. So we are going to have to find the upstream catalytic converter for this car pretty soon. I like it to be soon, but it's still kind of like on the back burner. So that is really it for the white car. Like I said, this car, can you no? Hello? Oops. Come on now. Is that good? We good? Cool. And I'll just say straight out, I don't know if you guys can see me, I'll just say straight out, the blue car is genuinely a POS at this point. Oh gosh. Oh, I am way too big to be under here. I can't fit. Oh, got it. There's a few different reasons for that. One, the car has 315,000 miles on it. It has a lot of miles on it, and as far as I know, the motor and trans are the same trans that came with the car. So you can pretty much expect, like, the car burns oil. It burns oil, and that's one of the main reasons I really don't drive it. It's because every time I'm at a stoplight and I have the vents going, I can smell just the oil burning within the car. I should also mention, I'm probably making it sound worse than what it actually is. I don't fill the car up with oil like every week. I'm not burning a quart of oil every week, but it's just smelling it just makes me overthink, and that's one of the reasons why I just haven't been driving it. I don't think this is going to be a flattering angle. I'm gonna keep it straight, and of course I don't have the right tool for the job. That just makes me feel better. So that's the first issue with the car. The second issue with the car that I have been having recently, I shouldn't say recently, over the past year, it's been happening whenever I'm in boost with 50% more on throttle, the car just does not go. It's not like a smooth like increase in RPMs. The car feels like it's fighting itself and almost like stuttering as it's going up in speed, which could be like a plethora of things. I'm not a mechanic. I genuinely don't know what it could be, but I assumed it was going to be a vacuum leak, which I can't find anything. And one of the biggest reasons why I do not drive the car anymore is I recently found a hole in the unibody of the vehicle. And I should preface this, I live in Pennsylvania, we get salt on the roads, so the car pretty much rusted out from underneath, and now there is a hole in the unibody. So that is where we get to, what do I do with the car right now? And that's where I'm pretty much at, because I don't want to keep putting money into a car that has a hole in the unibody as well as other issues, because to me, the car's value really isn't that great, and me dumping more money into a car that already has pre-existing issues just doesn't make sense in my head. So that's why I just kind of push the blue car off to the side, and I've just been dailying the RS right now. So that's where I'm at with the blue car currently. I'm pretty much at a dead end because of all those issues. And those three issues, it's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many other things wrong with the car that I just don't talk about. Just not that important to talk about, but I would like to get the car back running. I would like to drive it again. I would like to get it back on the road, regardless of the hole in the unibody. I want to drive it for like the sentimental reasons. But other than that, I don't know if I'm going to be putting more money into that car in particular just because of the structural issues. Speaking about spending money, it brings me on to my next topic, which is new projects to the channel. Now, I want to bring this up because obviously I care about your guys' opinion, what you guys want to watch and all that, what would be entertaining for you. I have a few ideas in mind. For one, I have an opportunity right now to get a very low mileage Toyota Celsior, which is the JDM version of the LS400 that we have. I have an opportunity to buy one as we speak right now. I don't know if I'm going to do it just yet. It's a little out of my price range, but stupid clean, stupid low mileage. I absolutely love the thing. I've been thinking about those. Another car that's kind of been on my radar as of recently is a Lexus LS430, an ultra luxury edition. Has to be the ultra luxury, and if you know, you know. But I've been looking for those, which is another luxury sedan, like a boat, which I'd be absolutely thrilled to get into one of them. I haven't found exactly what I am looking for just yet, but that is one car that I would genuinely like to have. Another car that I've been recently looking at is Evos. I really want, dang, I looked away for 1 second and I just dumped everywhere. But I've been looking for like Evo 9s. I really want an Evo 9, not an 8. My brother had an 8 and it was cool. I liked it, but I really like the 9s. So Evo 9 has also been another car I've been looking for. And the last vehicle I've really been looking for is like a 2011 to 2014 STI hatchback. I think one of those cars would be absolutely sick, and me being a Subaru fanboy, I think it's a perfect fit. Those were the 4 cars I've been looking for over the past year. I'm really not eager to buy. Like, I have to find something specifically what I want. I'm not just going to buy something that's like kind of what I want. No, it has to be exactly what I want, or I'm just not going to buy it, which makes the car buying process a lot more difficult, because not only am I trying to find certain vehicles, but I got to find something that fits my criteria, and it's just been a headache. Leave a comment down below what you guys would like to watch or what you guys would be interested in. I'll put them back on the screen just to give you guys a little bit of refresher on what I am looking for. But I genuinely appreciate your feedback. I genuinely will take everyone's comments into consideration as far as what the new vehicle to the channel will be. Yep. Cool, let's turn it on, see if we have leaks. Gotta put this back on. I don't know if oil can come out of here, but like I really don't want to find out. So that was a nice, quick, and easy upload for you guys. Hopefully now we are all on the same page. The white car really is not an issue point right now. The blue car, however, I genuinely have to think about what I am going to do with it from here on out. And obviously we got to get excited for the new projects that may or may not be coming to the channel. I just have to find the right car before I make a purchase, because I'm very cautious when it comes to my money. Hopefully now we are all on the same page when it comes to future plans, what we need fixed, and all the other fun stuff in between. But ladies and gentlemen, that is going to end today's video. I tried to make it quick. I know I can ramble on sometimes here and there, but I try to make this video quick because no one really likes a bunch of yabbering. I try to make it quick for you guys, but like I said, that's going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, if you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next upload.